Hey guys, today I'm working on the Baja bike. So last video you saw me mount the tires on the rims. Today I'm going to mount the tires on the frame. Got the front tire, rear tire. I got to put on the sprocket and the brake pad. There's the frame. I decided not to paint it for two reasons. One, it's a lot of work to paint to get it all prepped and ready to go. And number two, winter is hit and my garage is so cold. So I decided not to do it. It's for my kids anyway, so they're not going to care. At any rate, let's get into it. Okay, tires are mounted. I still need to tighten down the bolts and put the cotter pin in to lock them in place. I'll do that a little later. The tricky part about these, you got to get the spacers in. The rear tire is a little bit trickier because inside, in there, there's a spacer tube inside. So I had to use my drift punch on the other side, get that set in place so I could get the bolt in. I got my bolts tightened, my safety pin in here. For some reason this hole didn't line up with the nut. Maybe it's the wrong nut, but I did the best I could. And over here, this one turned out much better. Those are just for safety pins so the nut doesn't rotate out on you and keeps things tight and snug. So I got the brake to put on, chain to put on, and the motor.